Hey guys! So, it turns out that the colour that won the poll was pink. So, that's what I'm doing. The pink be looking good with the brown. It's just over here's a little smudged, but that's okay. Let's go back in with the colour. I'm going to get off the brush texture though, because there we go. Because I like taking more time on my art. It's better if you got what I mean. I also want to thank you guys so much for so many views and likes. Like this, I started my channel. I started my channel literally yesterday, and I've got like 290 views on one of my videos. Like, that is insane for me. Because I never thought I'd actually get this far, because like, I wouldn't understand how my video would get spread. Because I kept thinking YouTube would never put it on other people's For You pages. But I guess they did, and I'm super happy that you guys have liked my videos, and I'm gonna keep it up. Because my dream's to get like 100 subscribers. Not even that, like 1,000. But I know that might not ever happen. But like, a girl can dream, you know. I can dream and hope. It might not happen, but who cares? I want it to happen, and it might happen if I keep up the good work. Just testing my pen again, because it was like the lighting wasn't that good, so I didn't know if that was because the pen wasn't working or just because of the lighting. It's so cute. I love it. I'm really glad you guys chose pink, because like it goes really well. And yes, I am leaving the nose because I'm not coloring the nose pink. I'm really happy with like how this is like turning out. Like, I feel like the colors really go well. And I know I keep saying that, but like it just does. Like, okay, I'm going off the fine and going on to broad. Okay, I'm on the broad tip now. All the blank parts are for the pink, apart from the nose. The nose is not becoming pink. The nose is becoming black. Like every other dog's nose. Okay. We're by the ear now. Oh, I accidentally went out the lines, but that's okay. Now I'm gonna go like this and make it like the background. Oh my gosh, ignore my dogs. I'm so sorry about that, guys. My dogs just barked because somebody knocked on the door. That's what they're like. Okay, now let's do the nose. I did the inner nose pink, but it's like really faint. Okay, and then I'm gonna go on to a different drawing now. This one, I'm gonna color a little bit in this video, but then finish it off. Okay. So I'm right now just adding in some detail. Well, not detail, but like, I don't want it to be just colored in brown. I want it to be like different varieties of brown, which is why I'm not just like using the brush and going all out. Okay, go. And then I'm gonna do like a wood texture where it's like even a gap. I feel like that's looking pretty cute. I'm so sorry about all the background distraction noise, by the way, guys, because it's just that I accidentally left my door open. So I feel like that part's actually super cute, and I really like the way it came out. Okay, now this round part here is going to be in a different shade of brown, so we're going to skip it. Oh, I'm just going to make this one like just one big one. And then I go in with this, and then the other shade of brown goes in with the little one. There we go. I feel like that's looking cute. I'm just going to try and fill in any gaps because the gaps make it look so weird. And, it's better. My lid. Okay, and then I'm going to get the different shade of brown. These are the colors I'm using. Okay, I got this like oil pastel in the shade Puppy Brown. Yeah, that's good. That's a good shade. Don't want it to just take over though. Like, it looks like it's taking over. So we gotta be careful. Because it looks like it's taking over every single shade of brown that I've used. Even though I've only used one. I feel like that's just ruined it. Why is it giving such ASMR? Listen. Anyway, that's what it looks like, and I'm gonna dab it down a bit. This is what I mean by dab it down, because I've obviously added a little too much. So we're gonna like rub off all the excess. See, that looks much better. Do you see that? That's so much better. And now we're gonna go back in with the brown. It's actually called Natural Oak. If you could see that, let me get it at a good angle. My camera doesn't really like to focus. Right, there we go, Natural Oak. So it's perfect for this. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go over in the thing first. So I've done this with the round part, and then I'm gonna go over in this. Just go over everything in this color. So I feel like that should be what I'm doing. So I'm gonna just go around everything first so that I'm not like wasting time. Right, I need to use the fine because the board is just making me like go out of every single line that there possibly is. And if you want to know what book I'm using the Enchanted Forest Art Therapy coloring book. It's a really good coloring book. I like these books that like have so much detail in them because it takes you longer. If you get what I mean. Hey, we've done like that much. By the way, I know I keep saying it in all of my videos, but really, go subscribe to Time to Art It. She is like so good. So just go subscribe to her and go subscribe to Mariah Elizabeth, please. She's gonna make you laugh all the time. Like, she makes me laugh all the time. And yeah, I'm not actually able to finish this. I've only been able to do a little bit. But I'm gonna do a part 2. So, bye guys!